When a lender says the money must be repaid within 1 year, within 2 years, 3 years, what does that mean for you? How does that affect you? This is how it can affect you. When you repay a loan in a shorter period of time, a few things happen. One of them is that when the duration is short, the interest you get to pay is relatively small compared to when you have a longer span of time within which to repay the loan. The second effect is when you repay a loan in a short period of time, it also reduces the amount of money that you qualify for. That means if you have a repayment ability of 10,000 shillings per month, you might be able to qualify for a maximum loan of maybe 70,000 per year. But if you are to stretch the period, you could qualify for 120,000 in 2 years, 300,000 in 3 years, 500,000 in 6 years, for example. Term also affects you in the following third way. When you repay a loan in a shorter period of time, your repayment amount is bigger compared to when you repay the same loan amount over a long period of time. So if I'm borrowing 100,000 shillings, if I have to repay it in 1 year, I might be paying, say, 10,000 shillings per month. But the same amount, if I'm to repay it in 2 years, I might be paying, say, 6,000 shillings per month. And it's not always a must that you take the maximum term the lender is giving. You also are thinking about the cost of credit, the interest that you will pay eventually. So if you can be able to afford a certain loan, a certain amount of money to be repaid in 2 years, and you are comfortable with the repayment amount per month for you to clear in 2 years, there is no reason why, because the lender is saying the maximum term is 6 years, for you to stretch that amount to 6 years, because now you risk paying a lot of interest. The best term for any borrower will be a term whose monthly repayment amount or periodic repayment amount is the maximum you can be able to pay comfortably. The best term for you is a term that is the shortest, that allows you to get the amount that you needed. And therefore, number 3, the best term is the term that also allows you to pay the maximum unavoidable interest, so that then you're not stretching into a term that now makes you pay interest that is